This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ronald Haywood. Seller is offering buyers a $14,000 seller credit and 1 year of home warranty if under contract before April 1. Welcome to 182 Crepe Myrtle Drive located in Trilogy, the premier 55-plus guard-gated community in Central Florida. This stunning Livingston model home boasts 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. This gem has an open and luxurious feel. From the moment you step inside, you are greeted with gorgeous wood flooring which creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The tastefully designed interior features tray ceilings, crown molding, and upgraded recessed LED lighting throughout. Enjoy an open floor plan with a spacious living area perfect for entertaining or relaxing. The master suite is a true retreat with ensuite bath, ample storage space thanks to dual closets, and a luxurious double-door entry make for a wonderful place to spend time. The current owner renovated the half bathroom in the 3rd bedroom, adding a walk-in shower, making this a 3 full bathroom home. Other upgrades include newer upgraded appliances and a newer air conditioner that was just replaced in 2020. The private patio offers an ideal space for outdoor relaxation. There are no rear neighbors. This home provides the perfect balance of style, luxury, and privacy, with easy access to community amenities like a 57,000 square foot community-owned clubhouse, pool, tennis, pickleball courts, a restaurant, bar, grand ballroom, fitness center, and so much more. Make this peaceful haven your next home. Schedule a tour today. There are many added benefits included with your HOA dues like cable, lawn maintenance, internet, guard gate, and all that the clubhouse has to offer. For more information, review the details below.